I'm back. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna tell you about Python today. So I actually code Python using this app called MU Editor. So yeah, I'll show you a few cool tricks today, and we'll be looking over all these topics. All right, let's start with something. Let's just ignore those. All right. Now let's say you're gonna need there's an app. All right, your school has this app, and you insert your school name, your own name, and it shoots back going like welcome, blah 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 from blah blah blah. All right, so I'll tell you how to do it. We're gonna run this one first and see if you can guess it. So, all right, please tell me the name of your school. So I would put let's blah blah blah, random school. Okay, please tell me your name. Also blah blah blah. I welcome my name from my school. See? Now I'd like to see like guess if you can actually do it, and if not, I'll explain it to you. So pause the video for like 10 seconds, try and figure it out. Alright, let's go. First, please tell me the name of your school. How you let the computer like put this and output this is by, well, there's a function called print on Python, and if you put Python needs to be coding, actually entire coding needs to be very exact. So you put print and then shift 9 and then you do that. Then you put what you want to type inside. So in this case, please tell me the name of your school. And then you do the same thing, just opposite. Now that the computer will say, please tell me the name of your school. Alright, but right now we don't want that. We want something else, right? We want you to type in your name right here, and then it will just save it. So that would like, I'll tell you about that. So this time we're gonna put input so you can actually type back to the computer. So it's the same thing. Please tell me the name of your school, and then that would be an input. So whatever A equals input. A equals input. That would mean that whatever you typed after would be equivalent to A. Well, so if you could understand this better, I would put it in another way. Let's put me is equivalent to noodle. Alright. Sorry. And you are equivalent to rice. And you would like to switch noodle and rice around. How would you do that? Obviously, this wouldn't work. You need to put more like print, blah blah blah. I'm just not gonna do that to save time. All right. How you would do it normally? If you were giving your noodle, I would give the noodle to you. Then how you would think it is you would vomit your rice, so I could vomit and like the noodle will go into you, if you understand what that means. But so like I can only eat noodle. I can't eat noodle and rice. Same for you. So you're gonna have to vomit your rice out for the noodle to go in. But what happens to the rice? Yeah, you vomited. It's in the trash bin. What would you do then? Here's what you would do. You'd create someone else, like, let's call him Alex. Alex would be noodle. So think of it as the creator, the God, gave me noodle, gave you rice, and then I gave my noodle to Alex. So I don't have the noodle anymore. It's in Alex. And you would give the rice to me, vomit your rice into my mouth, and Alex would finally give you the noodle. That would be how it works. So we're just gonna talk about variables. Just now it was about variables, so A would also be a variables. Think of the answer, my name. Let's just put blah blah blah. This would be noodle. So me and noodle. Okay? And I'll just put a random name on Maxwell. Alright, a school, right? So let's put this place international school. And then your name. This isn't my real name, but so then you would print welcome. That would be welcome would be saying welcome. All right? So the computer will say welcome. And then you put a comma and you insert B inside, right? B would be your name. So welcome. My name isn't Maxwell, but just pretend it is. Welcome Maxwell. And then I put a comma again, and I put from, and comma again, I put A, which is the school. So, welcome Maxwell from blah, 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 international school. And then, comma again, you'd put a full stop. So, let's just run it, like, one last time. School. Princeton Day School. Whatever, okay. And let's do Justin. And it would like type back, welcome Justin from Princeton Day School. I don't know. All right. This isn't actually my school, and this isn't actually my name. I just pretend. All right. Now, many people they try and use Python can actually be used as a calculator as well. So, let's just ignore this. And all right, row 1. So we would also put print in, and print. You put that in. Let's just put 5 plus 3. And do you think this would be a correct? Yeah, it would be correct because you put it in these brackets, and that's all Python needs, right? So print 5 plus 3 would be 8. So that's how you, and multiplication, you just put shift 8, 5 times 3 would be 15. That's how you actually calculate things. And I think division that would be division. Yeah, that's how you calculate things in Python. Alright, I think that basically concludes the basics about Python today. And yeah.